Welcome to Princess Beauty TV. Today I'm going to be reviewing Zury Sis Crimp Curl 34 inch. Okay, this wig is so gorgeous, y'all. Now, the cap construction. It has two combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and it has a side lace part. Okay, and this is how the parting looks. It may need tweezing just a bit, but I'm not finna go through all that. And look at those beautiful long waves. This gorgeous. Oh, now, look at me. This hair is beautiful. And I'm about to do a 360. So that's the side, the back, yes, it is so long I can't even get all of it in the video. And I also received minimum shedding with this unit. It's nice, it's full, it's gorgeous, and I'm just really feeling this. And the parting space is pretty good. I definitely recommend this wig. I give it a 9 out of 10. Okay, because I did experience a little bit of tangling, of course. So I had to crown myself with my beautiful tiara because this wig is definitely a winner. Yes. So that pretty much wraps it up for this wig review. Oh, girl, don't let that crown slip. Oh. Don't ever let your crown slip or fall. So, as I was saying, that wraps it up. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.